Hey everybody, Mr. Bone letting you know what we did last week and what we're doing next week. So it's our recap preview video. So last week we finished up chapter 2. We did a nice little review. We took the test. Many of you did such a better job on the chapter 2 test than you did in chapter 1. I think you're getting the hang of 6th grade now finally. Let's not slack off for chapter 3 though. We got to keep working hard to do at least as well on chapter 3, if not better. So we started chapter 3 on Thursday. We did the section 1, did the picture walk, had some great discussion in class. Then on Friday today, I've asked you to do the 3.2 at home, like big boys and girls, and let's see if we can get that and be successful, correct it on Monday. We will also be correcting the 3.1 on Monday since we didn't get a chance to do that yet. So we're going to correct a couple of pieces of homework and then move on. So that's what we did last week. This coming week, we continue on with chapter 3. We will be looking at sections 3 and 4. Don't forget chapter 3 has 4 sections in it, so it's a little bit longer. Wednesday will be a review day. Thursday will be your chapter 3 test. I know seems like they keep coming faster and faster all the time. Matter of fact, we will also take a look at the chapter 4 picture walk on Thursday while we're all here. Friday, I'm going to have you work on the chapter 4 section 1 RITP at home again. So we're moving right along. We are still just a slight bit behind our normal pace for the year, but we're getting closer. That doesn't mean that we want to rush through anything, but we also don't want to lollygag and take a bunch of time. So virtual Fridays will be probably pushing right along as long as we have virtual Fridays. And then that should keep us on pace to where we need to be for the year. Also, you may have noticed at the top, how do weather and climate affect people? That's our new essential question. We're going to be taking a look at that on Monday, so I guess we could add that in on our Monday assignment to take a look at that video. And then we will be launching from there, getting ready for our next chapter 3 test. I'll see you guys Monday.